In day 10 of our journey, we look at 1 Kings chapter 8, where Solomon dedicates the temple. What happens here reveals something extraordinary about God's unity. Solomon prays, and the glory of the Lord fills the house. The priests cannot stand because the presence of God is overwhelming. At the same time, Solomon says something that seems impossible. He says, "Will God indeed dwell on the earth? The heavens cannot contain you, much less this house that I have built." So God fills the temple, yet the heavens cannot contain him. He is present in the building, yet enthroned beyond it. Solomon then speaks of God hearing prayers from heaven, even while his name dwells in the temple. The God who is present is also the God who listens from above. This is not a contradiction, it is revelation. The God of Israel dwells, fills, hears, and reigns, all at once. The temple does not limit him. His presence is relational and multi-layered. This prepares the way for what the prophets and apostles will later reveal. God is one, yet his presence is rich, active, and personal. Tomorrow, day 11, Psalm 2, the Lord and his anointed Son.